Ed Bay here, aka Hutchinson Kansas Rail Fan Production, from the Hutchinson Kansas Rail Fan Production YouTube channel. I want to give you all a update on the late winter storm that is now hitting Kansas, and pretty much the entire United States right now at length. So as of right now, at the time, there still no there hadn't been any no warning yet at the time, which is that's okay, Atlee, but we still have a lot more to go, Atlee, as we go into tomorrow and into Sunday. So here to look right now on the WeatherWise app here on my computer. We still got some snow. We still got snow falling right here in Hutchinson, and it is going to continue. Actually, the weather's on right now on channel 12. So let me get my remote control.
Of Kingman back toward Pratt. Light snow continues around Greensburg, and we do continue with steady light snow all the way around Dodge City. You can see it snowing in Meade County, Clark County. We've got light snow in Coldwater. That continues back to the west of Dodge City. We've got snow happening in Garden City, and it does pick up a little bit in intensity off to the north of Garden City, stretching across Scott County and Lane County. Looks like a little bit of a break around Leota and Tribune, but very light snow showers there. And it's been snowing for the better part of the day around Hayes. We've got about an inch of accumulation there, and light snow continues right here along the I-70 stretch from around Russell County all the way back toward Greenfield. Looks like some light snow flurries around Colby, but not very heavy there. Around Wichita, we've got snow picking up right now in the northern part of the county, but all of this back here to our south and west set to move across the metro area over the next several hours. So yes, even though we haven't seen very much snow yet in Wichita, it will be picking up later on this evening. We do have some light snow along the turnpike, but for the most part, road conditions there not in too bad of shape. Big picture, I want you to see the ice storm now unfolding along the Red River Valley. Ice right now in Wichita Falls. Most of it is sleet, but you can see Dallas is getting rain. That will switch over.
Hello there, Jason. Good to see you.
Back here to our west, just kind of representing how unsettled things are going to be for the next 24 to 36 hours. Snow in Kansas, and we'll probably have snow coming down for at least another 24 hours. So the bigger totals of snowfall will be across central and southern Kansas. Most of central Kansas with about 6 inches. Farther west, the amounts are going to trail off. For Wichita, we're thinking about 8 inches of snow. Could we wind up with an inch or two less than that? Absolutely. Snow forecasting is very difficult, but the models have been locked in on at least a half a foot of snow for most of central and southern Kansas. So road conditions will continue to go downhill overnight as the snow continues to fall. Several slick spots already showing up on roads. Travel with caution tomorrow. If you are deciding to get out and about, we'll be off and on with the snow. The temperatures are so cold that most of the road treatments aren't quite as effective at those very chilly numbers. And Sunday, even though the snowfall is over with, there'll still be a lot of slick roads in Kansas. Notice on Future Track, 8:30 tonight, the snow continues to blossom and overspread most of the area. 11:30, we continue to see steady snow even beyond midnight. We still have a lot of light snow. Still thinking there'll be a brief pause in the snowfall, probably late morning tomorrow, but then light snow showers return heading into the afternoon. And the second and final wave of snow, here it comes out of Oklahoma, right up into south central Kansas later tomorrow night. We could easily get another inch or two out of that. No doubt along and southeast of the turnpike is where the heavier amounts of snow are going to be. By 7:30 Sunday, though, the snowfall is ending, even some breaks in the clouds on the way by the end of the weekend. And how about the wind chills? When they get below 10 degrees, minus 10 or colder, we start to get concerned about frostbite. We're definitely going to be at those thresholds tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon if you're venturing out 10 to 20 degrees below zero. A tremendous amount of cold right along with the snow. Dodge City, the ground almost completely covered, -1. That's the air temperature. 4 below in Dodge tonight, 1 below in Great Bend, 2 for Wichita, western Kansas tomorrow with the weather alert, single-digit highs. Feeling much colder with the wind, and light snow will be off and on throughout the day. Central Kansas tomorrow, 7 in Salina, 5 in Great Bend, 8 in Eureka. Snow chances extend all the way through the day. Wichita will have snow pretty much all day for Saturday, kind of off and on. 8 for Wichita, 6 in Hutch, 7 for El Dorado, but adding in the wind, and wind chills are going to be 10 to 15 degrees below zero. Some sunshine Sunday, but the weather alert for the dangerous cold. 18 on Monday, 30 on Tuesday. We'll try to get back to freezing on Wednesday, but another shot of colder air likely to arrive later next week. Tonight, take the roofing exterior weather.
All right, guys. So yeah, that was the weather forecast. That was the weather forecast again. So yeah. Anyway, so as you can see, what is happening right now all around Kansas and the United States, we got so much snow right now at this hour. I am still trying to figure that out. I'm still trying to figure that out if there is going to be any snowfall warnings. I haven't got none. I haven't got no snowfall warning at all today, and I just really hoping I would get some here, hopefully here soon, and maybe tomorrow or Sunday. It depends, Ali. But before I go, Ali, to all of my YouTube subscribers out there, I really hopefully all of you out there hopefully all of you are definitely surviving the very extreme cold that we are having right now here in Hutchinson, because trust me, right now it is really the current temperature right now, it is now 1 degrees. It is now 1 degree. By the way, let me do something very quick. I want to show you guys something. I forgot to let you all know that I do have Amazon Alexa right here on my Fire tablet, and I think I want to. I think I actually want to. I do want to show that to. I want to show that to all of you guys tonight. So let me go ahead and I'll get Amazon Alexa. I'll get Alexa on the Amazon Fire tablet. All right, guys. Watch and see how I do this, because I want you guys to at least see this. I mean, you guys are not gonna want to. I mean, you guys are gonna see this. All right, hold on. Let me turn the TV down at least so you can hear. So you can hear Alexa very. So you can hear Alexa very good. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Hutchinson, it's 3 degrees Fahrenheit with flurries. Tonight, you can look for snowy weather, with a low of 0 degrees. Also, there's a winter storm watch in effect until Sunday, January 25th, 6 a.m.
Sorry about that, Alexa, but I think you meant winter storm warning, not winter storm watch. So you were kind of you were kind of off. You were kind of off there. So yeah. That what I wanted to actually show you all. So yeah, I do have Amazon Alexa right here on my Amazon Fire tablet, which is kind of nice. So absolutely. Oh, and yes, I do have this on here too. I have the IEM bot monitor website on my tablet right now to follow delayed update from the Storm Center and the National Weather Service. So So anyway, I'm going to keep you all up to date on what is going to happen with this winter storm. Okay, it looks like we have a special weather statement up here in New York. I hope that is something. Well, what do you know? A band of heavy snow, Otley. Well, I know what I'm gonna do, Otley. I think I'm gonna get on weather radio station KB 34. I think it's Auburn, New York. I think. So I can tune in and to see if that get to be a no qualm warning, but who knows? Maybe it will. I don't know, but that depends. So if that does get to be a no qualm warning, then I will wait for that to become a no qualm warning. So anyway, that's gonna be it for now. I will see you all again next time. Bye bye.